This video will go over a simple guessing game in JavaScript. So what I have here is just a title, and I just have this guess input, which is where the user will put in their guess, and the submit button, which the user will click to submit, obviously. So in the JavaScript file, just define these elements. Let's input, submit button, and let's actually make this a button. And once submit button equals document ID. So now we can have a function, and let's also have a button ID equals new game. So fonts new game. So new game dot add then listener click, and this will be our initializer. Yes. So let's make a global variable called guess, and let's just set it to null for now. And when the user clicks the new button, we alert number, and guess equals to Math.random times 11. No, times 10 plus 1. So we get numbers from 1 through 10. I explained this more in my previous video about random numbers. So okay, works nicely. So now let's add a advanced listener, the submit button. If guess input dot value, convert this to a number, equals window alert you, then else if let's just check all the possibilities. If our guess is bigger than the lower guess, an actual guess, and higher, else if and if guess doesn't exist, then please click. So now go on, go lower. And let's just log this out. Okay. Actually, let's do it like this. If no guess or equals 0, no guess. Number is start game. Lower. And just for the final touch, min equals 0. That's equals 10. And let's try it now. Doesn't work. Good game. And yeah, that's how to make a simple guessing game in JavaScript. So yeah, sub if you want, like if you want.